In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Microsoft Word product key. If you need to locate your Microsoft Word product key, whether for reinstalling Word, activating it on another computer, or keeping it for future reference, there's a reliable way to find it directly from your system. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step, and I'll make it easy to follow even if you haven't worked with the Windows registry before. To start, move your cursor to the bottom left corner of your screen and right-click on the Windows Start icon. A menu will appear. From this menu, select Run. Once the Run dialog box opens, type regedit into the text field and press OK. If you receive a prompt asking for permission, make sure to select Yes to allow access. This will open the Windows Registry Editor, which is where we will locate your product key. Within the Registry Editor, we need to navigate to a specific folder that stores the product key. I'll break down the path for you. First, expand the folder labeled HKey Local Machine by clicking the small arrow next to it. Then, scroll down and expand the Software folder. Inside Software, locate and expand the Microsoft folder. Next, find the folder called Windows NT, which is listed in alphabetical order, and click the arrow to expand it. After that, select the Current Version folder by expanding it as well. Finally, scroll until you see the folder named Software Protection Platform. Click directly on this folder, not the arrow. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see a list of files. Look for the file named Backup Product Key Default. In the data column to the right, you will find your Microsoft Word product key. This is exactly where you would locate your full key for Windows 10 or Microsoft Word. This method is safe and works directly within Windows without needing any third-party software. And that's it. You've successfully located your Microsoft Word product key, and now you can use it to activate or reinstall your software without any issues. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.